Welcome to TNR kitchen. Today we have decided to make Rava cutlets. So for this you'll need soaked rava dough, some basin flour, onions, and salt, ginger, pepper and garlic crushed together. Light the stove and add some ghee. Let it melt and then add the soaked rava. This is 1 cup of rava which was soaked and it was made like a dough, so you should cook it and simmer it because sometimes it will become overcooked and it will start to burn. You can close it for some time and check every time so it won't burn. Now we should add some oil. This will make it more or less sticky. And off the stove when it's cooked. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and let it cool for some time and add the other ingredients. First we are going to add salt, and then some onions. Then I'm going to add the ginger, garlic and pepper which was crushed. And then I'm going to add some basin flour. This will hold the doughs. Now this is where we have to shape the dough. Make it into small balls. The balls are ready and it looks very good. And now let's turn on the pan. You can do 2 types of frying in this dish. One, you can shallow fry it in a dosa kadai, or you can deep fry it. But I personally love the deep fried one. So we are going to do both of the methods for you. Now I'm going to put some oil there. And then shallow fry it. And then flip it around after like 2 minutes or so. It looks very nice. We are going to shallow fry it. We are again going to shape it. You can shape it like whatever you want, but today we decided to shape it as a rectangle. It's also much easier when you deep fry it, and you have to put it in simmer flame so that it doesn't over fry and be raw. Over fry and be raw inside the cutlet. If you put it in high flame, outside will be crispy but inside will be still raw. So you have to put it in sim. And there you have it, your wonderful cutlet. This is the deep fry one and this is the shallow fry. Both are one and the same, but I mostly like the deep fry one. It's a very nice snack with tea, and you can also eat it with sauce. Thanks for watching.